guys, today's video is super exciting. I have an unboxing from Kosei Threads. My box just came in the mail. Shout out to UPS for delivering this box in a snowstorm. So Kosei Threads is a new company. Guys, this box took 2 days to get here. 2 days, which is amazing. Unlike other friggin' companies like this that take literally months to get to you. When I order something, I want it yesterday, okay? I don't want it in 2 months. 2 days is amazing. They are in New Jersey, I think. I could look at the label, couldn't I? Shipped from New Jersey, so it just had to go up a couple states. So I don't know if that's why it only took 2 days, but 2 days, okay? So I ordered a box. I'm so excited. It is a women's sneaker box, 20 sneakers. We're gonna open it. I'm not gonna show you guys the box. I literally can't bring it over here. There's not enough room to bring it over here. I'm probably gonna give most of these to my husband because he is the shoe seller in the fam. I might keep a couple of good ones. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe this box sucks and I'm gonna be so disappointed, but I don't know. I got really high hopes for this box, so we'll see. So everything is individually wrapped in bags, which is great. Okay, we're starting out with some Tevas. Yeah. Can you guys see them or do I need to take them out of the bags? So these are some Tevas. These are in like really good condition. They are a size 8. So yeah, all right, good first pair. What are these? Take a walk. These look like a Walmart. Why are these so heavy? I mean, they're brand new with tags. They're really cute color too. They're size 10. So yeah, I have a feeling that they're super cheap, but there's the tag right there. But yeah, I have to look them up and I'll let you guys know. Some more take a walks. These ones are just like slide on, cute, like striped red and white striped shoes. These are a size 10 as well. Again, new with tags. Adidas shoes. I don't know what size they are because there's no tag. These are really cool. They're like squished because they've been in the box. So I'm gonna have to like shape them, but these are really cool. Adidas. I don't know, there's like some writing right there as I knock the camera over. But these are in like excellent condition. I don't know what size they are. Let me hold them up to my feet. Bigger than my foot. I would say they're probably a 10. Probably a 10. Okay, we're getting bigger sizes, all right. Okay, we have some Nike Zoom Structure 19s. These are in like excellent condition. Okay, these are a size 8.5. Ooh, that's my size. What? We got some Jordans. Okay. These are definitely kid size. They are a size 4. Yeah, okay, kids Jordans. I will take them. See if the air bubbles are good. Yes, this box is good. Let's not speak too soon though, okay? It could just all turn to shit. New Balance shoes. They're missing the insoles. These are the 420 something. I don't know. I'm not familiar with New Balance. They are size 8, but these are in excellent condition. Okay, we have some Allbirds. This is a good box. This is a good box. My husband is, yes, he's gonna like it. All right. Yeah, these just need to be cleaned, but some white Allbirds. Okay. They are a size 6. The bottoms are a little dirty. And the white just needs to be like refreshed, but these are in really good condition. More Allbirds. What? Guys. I just snorted. These are like little slide on shoesy doozies. These are a size 8. Again, these are in really good condition. They just need a little bath. Okay, guys, what? They're cute. Oh, they're like frozen. They're a size 5. Oh, these are my size. Cause I think, yeah, Converse size 5 is equal to like a 8.5 in women's. These are cute. I have some Adidas Cloud Foam sneakers. Really good condition, just magic eraser in a couple spots. These are a size 8. We have some Keds. These are kind of dirty, but I feel like a magic eraser might, or maybe they're supposed to be that color. Actually, it might supposed to be that color. They might supposed to be that color. I don't know the size. More Allbirds. What? 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 Okay, guys. See, these are the ones that I think are ugly. But, I mean, these are really nice. Like, people are... These have a following, and these resell for a lot. These are size 8. Wow, guys. This is 3 pairs of Allbirds. What? That's what they look like. Okay. I think these are Skechers. Skechers air-cooled memory foam. Just like slip-on shoes in excellent condition. These are a size 8. Okay. We've got some more Skechers. Again, memory foam. No, these are a little bit different. These are a size 7. Ooh, these have like never been worn. These are a size 5 or women's like 8, 8.5. They're like a green taupey color. I like these. My husband's gonna be pissed because I'm gonna want to keep a lot of these. Oh, these are in like excellent condition. A pair of Keds. These, I don't know the size, 7.5. These need to be clean. They're like kind of yellow. Freaking Huaraches. They sent me Huaraches. Oh, yes. I love Huaraches. I actually already have these shoes. Otherwise, I would keep these. So these are just all black Huaraches. These look, yeah, like they wouldn't fit me anyway. They're an 8. All black Huaraches. Like, hello, okay, I will take it. Like, what? And they're in really, really good condition. A pair of Vans. Just like maroon slip-on. They're men's size 5.5 or women's size 7. These are a no-name brand. It says fashion right there. Yeah, made in China. Probably not going to try to sell these. These are just slippers, but this is like a no-name China brand. Another pair of Huaraches. What? Another pair of black Huaraches. All right. Like, what the hell is going on? This is crazy. These are a size 7 youth. So that is equal to like a women's 8, 8.5. Although Huaraches run small, so more like an 8. 2 pairs of Huaraches. I do have a link with them. If you use my link, you will get $15 off your first order. I will put that down below. Definitely go check them out. They have more than just shoe boxes. I ordered a vintage tea box from them. I'm excited to get that. I will do a video and let you guys know what I get from that box. I'm really excited. My husband's gonna be excited too. I think I'm just gonna let him look through the box, and I'm not gonna tell him that I know what's in there. I'm just gonna be like, yeah, you can just look through it. I'm definitely gonna make my money back and then some. Yeah, I totally recommend this company. Go check them out. Like I said, 2-day shipping. You can't beat that. It just seems all too good to be true. I'll definitely let you guys know what my other boxes are like. Hopefully this wasn't a fluke. Hopefully they don't like make your first box amazing and then your other boxes are shit. But you guys know me. I'll keep it real. I'll let you guys know. But yeah, that's it for this video. Again, I have a link to Kosei Threads down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.